What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be playing Lethal Company, but doing a little bit something different today. Today we are going to be running solo quota Lethal Company. Drum roll, please. I may have to edit a drum roll into that. Basically, this is my first time, I believe, doing something like this on the channel. Usually my gaming channel consists of clips with buddies, their personal videos, stuff like that. And I don't think that I have ever, I don't think I've ever actually played something by myself on this channel. So this is going to be a weird change of pace for myself and y'all included. So what's the best way to figure out awkwardness? Let's get right into it. So often I don't have to talk by myself, but today we are going to be doing that said thing. Alright, so that's a great way to start this. Let's just go ahead and spell assurance wrong. Okay. Basically, as I said, I don't do solo video games very often. Usually I do them with friends because, oh boy, a lot of my friends are funnier than I am. Not gonna lie. And it's nice to be able to rely on their humor. So today we're going to be doing this by ourselves. I think this is going to be fun. And I don't know what we're going to call it. Getting good at lethal. Making lethal, save company, I don't know. We'll figure out a title for it eventually. But right now, let's just get to the main door. I have no idea if this is going to be edited. No idea if this is just going to be raw footage. Good chance it's just going to be raw footage. I'm going to be honest. I'm not a fan of editing at all. Hate it. So, alright, let's get right into it. Alright, toilet paper off rip. That's pretty bad. Dang. Could have been better. I hate the toilet paper item. It's so good in price, but you can't see nothing. Hate that thing. Let's see. Ooh, what we got going on back here? That's a turret. Okay. Oh. Huh. I ran right past that. Alright. You know, now that I think about it, I'm sure there's nothing on the other side of that wall that is nearly important. Nothing past that door that's important, I'm sure. Cookie mold pan, heck yeah. Apparatus. Oh, really? This is kind of a good spawn. Okay, okay. Heck yeah, wow. Actually getting kind of lucky here today. And I got a weapon now. Shabingus. Right. I don't think many mobs spawn on insurance, if I don't remember correctly. I need to pull up that website, honestly. I don't think many mobs spawn on insurance. Like, I think, like, earthworms are more prevalent here, stuff like that. Maybe, I think the outdoor power level's worse. I think dogs and giants can spawn more. Well, not maybe giants, I think dogs for sure. La-da-dee, la-da-da, la-da-dee. That's just a bracken room, but sometimes there can be a Rubik's Cube in there. I forgot the button on my keyboard for a second. That was really bad. And there's nothing in here. Okay. We all good. Something this way. I don't want to explore too much in the maze because my sense of direction is very bad. Like, very, very bad, actually. There's a good chance that if I ever do the maze, I'm going to get lost in 5 minutes. Ooh. Oh. Where's there a turret? Where's there a turret? That's where the turret is. Okay. You know, we don't need to go that direction. That is just unnecessary. I don't think... Do we need to go there? No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we don't. I'm going to turn this off. That's annoying. To the turret's right there, so it's blocking off that area. That's where the big room's at, too. I'm going to chance it. Made it. Let's go. Gonna have to be careful, though, because that... Ooh. That's really bad. Oh, okay. Modelos. Let's go. Nice. Anything else over here? Nope. Nope. Wow. All that from Modelo's. Dang. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get past the turret. Really hoping I can. Oh. Goodness. Lights. Thank God. I can see again. Okay. Let's not go into the dark corner just yet. Whoa! I'm gonna drop this right here and sprint across. Empty. Great. Grape. Everybody loves turrets. That's for sure. Such a great game feature that everybody loves. Everybody just loves turrets. So many turrets. Recently, is the door over here? Yes, there is. Yay. I'm gonna drop this right here real quick. Dead end, okay. I swear I just heard clown horn. This game is very spooky, actually. So where's the turret at again? Oh, that's where the turret's at. Okay, so I need to... I can make this. Yeah, I got this. Here we go. Let's do it. Yeah, okay, that was easy. That was easy. I think the main door is this way. Yes, it is. Yay. I think we're going to go ahead and head back, actually. Let's see. 206? That's not bad. Plus, I got to make 2 individual trips here, so... Let's go ahead and drop the key off there, and we'll carry the stop sign. Actually, let's leave the stop sign. It's going to be a little bit darker. Let's do the toilet paper first. Dogs could be spawned, so might have to be a little bit quiet. Gots to be careful. No dogs. We are good. Yep. Back off. That's mine. Dude, that's mine. You know what? Yeah! Buzz off. That's my stuff. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Bad. 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 I hate those stupid things. Hate too much toilet paper! What the? Dadgummit! Just all around sad. Okay. Well, that was great. I love this video game. I hate those stupid ever-loving birds. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here. Offense, March, Adamant's Vow. I could make bank on Adamants. Let's do Adamants. Oh, gosh. My goodness. Not gonna lie, my friend sent me a 3D picture of a... Not a 3D picture, dadgummit. A picture of a man-eater that he 3D printed. Looks pretty good, actually. Alright. That was just all around annoying. I still don't get Baboon Hawks. I know that they're like a... You know... player count thing, like if they have more than the player count, they're gonna get you. But I think it's also stupid. It's like, what am I supposed to do there? Can't really fight them all when there's 4. You know what? Why am I surprised? Why am I surprised? Just so y'all do know, I hate mines. I hate mines in Lethal Company. They are so awful. I hate mines. The only thing... Haha! That's such a great fire exit placement. Dadgummit. 117 off rip? Dang. Old phone. That's kind of rare on moons like this, I think. Not sure. Isn't the fire exit closer to the ship? I think it is. I think the fire exit is closer to the ship. I might drop my stuff off to the fire exit, actually. Wait, but then I can't get back up here without going through Maine. Might as well just drop it off in Maine then. It's fine. Alright. Got 4 things there, about 170 I think. Nothing here. 170 is actually pretty solid that quickly too. I should have scanned before I landed, dang it. I always forget to scan. Ah, rubber ducky. Ah, another rubber ducky. Is that something else? Key. I thought I saw a turret. Oh, another key. And another key. What in the world? Bang. Is this door locked right here? No, it's not. All them keys for nothing. I don't care what is up there. No. We're not dealing with that. If I was playing with friends, sure, we'll be brave. Here, solo? No. We are playing like chickens, and there's nothing wrong with being chicken in Lethal Company. The chickens survive. Well, I don't like that. Wait, can I crouch underneath that? Really think I can. Oh, great, there's something in the vent. Oh, that's the room that I said no to. Never mind. I forgot about that. Another key? What in the... Is this main? That's main. What the heck? Where am I? Okay. Rubber ducky. Did I go through this door? It's empty, I think. No, it's not. Why did I never go through this door? Yes, it is. I already went through this door, I think. I told y'all my sense of direction is horrible. After a grand amount of thought, I decided I don't want to deal with that. I really do not want to deal with that. Goodbye. That is no longer my problem. Goodbye. Goodbye. Not my problem. No. Not at all. Not dealing with that. I don't get paid enough for this. I thought I just heard the girl. I'm tweaking out. I feel like we have like over 200 probably. The stuff I got was pretty pricey actually. Yeah, 243. I'm good with that. That's quota. Well, on this channel, we do bare minimum around here. I need to get all this. We'll just roll with what we got right now. Now, I will actually go to the fire exit on this one. Yeah. I'm gonna go through the fire exit on this one. And then I'll come back through the main. Hi, Thumper. Goodbye, Thumper. Hopefully there's a beehive somewhere. That would be kinda cool. Oh gosh, not these things again. We are about to start going to experimentation or something. I'm sick of dealing with these stupid birds, dude. If I could have another day ruined by birds. Oh my gosh, there's 7 of them. Listen, dude. Just back up, dude. Listen. This is not a problem. You need a. Oh, I love this game. This is such an amazing video game. Yep. Okay. I want to go somewhere where there are not birds. Are you serious? You've got to be kidding me. You can't make this up. Literally, I've had 2 days ruined by birds, and now they're gonna send me the offense, which has birds. I wanted to go to experimentation, no birds, and now I can only go to offense. We are doing one quota video, I swear. Okay. Let's do it. I missed the fire exit. Yeah, I did. Okay. No like game sometimes. Alright. Another mine shaft. I didn't even realize that. My brain was turned off. I just don't want to do this. I don't want to deal with this again. I didn't even see if there were birds. I'm really hoping there's not birds. Yay, the fire exit's right there. That's fun. I love this game. Ah, there's a goo. I'm gonna leave that door shut. What in the... I just closed the door on myself. Listen. There's a spider. Was that a spider? Is that a spider? Are you serious? Are you... Oh, brother in Christ. You have got to be kidding me. You have got... What? What is this? You have got... That one door had a thumper, a spider, and a slime. That one door. And this is why we don't do a solo lethal. Oh, what? That was dumb, man. 2 birds. Have mercy. Alright, well, you know what? That's gonna be the first episode of Professional Lethal, or whatever I figure out what the title is. That's gonna be the first episode. Let's just go ahead and jump off. Life has no meaning. So yeah, that was the first episode of Killer Quota. Sure, we'll call it that. Killer Quota. That's the first episode. Love this game. Definitely. This is a great game. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 gameplay. Yep. Alright, well, next time we'll be better at Lethal. How about that? Next time we will actually make it past the first quota. Instead of dumb nonsense like that where I open one door and everything goes wrong. That was great. Love this game. For sure.
As you have not met the profit quota, your performance has been deemed below standard. Welcome to our disciplinary process.